Hello, everyone. It's your girl, Yinka, your favorite online Agile coach. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for always watching my YouTube videos. Thank you so much for always listening to the Exceptional Scrum Master podcast. I'm super excited to have you in my corner. So today I have good news for you, for all of you who have sent me messages over and over again, looking for a coaching program or looking for mentorship. I found the perfect solution for you. And today I'd like to introduce you to my group coaching mentorship program. This is a 10-week program where we spend time understanding the concepts of Agile, where you implement many of these practices that you're going to learn. And when you practice over and over again, many of you have sent me messages over and over again looking for coaching, and this group coaching program is the perfect fit for you. You're going to be getting exactly everything that I teach in my one-on-one, but this time it's going to be me and you and other people who would be your partner and your cheerleaders, where you guys are going to be working together, learning together, and growing together. So if you think I give you good value in my YouTube videos and my podcast episodes, then guess what? You are in for a great time, because when it comes to coaching and mentorship, I go all the way. I spend quality time ensuring that you understand the concepts. I want you to be better than I am. I want you to be an exceptional Scrum Master. And so I pour out all of me into my coaching program. So trust me, you are not going to be the same once you go through my coaching program. That is a guarantee that I have for you. So if you're interested, I have my latest offering starting pretty soon. So ensure that you sign up now, because registration is going to be closing really soon. So I'm looking forward to spending a great time with you, where you are going to learn, grow, be transformed, and start living that dream life that you desire. So if you're ready to sign up, click in the link below and I'll catch you on the inside.